In today's video, I will show you how to design a stunning and fantastic title slide for your technology theme PowerPoint presentation. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, select the wave shape and draw a wave on the slide. Select rotate right 90 degree and flip vertical. Adjust its size. Duplicate the shape. Now, add a rectangle shape. Drag it. Select both shapes. Go to Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Make 3 duplicates of this. Add a rectangle shape again. Drag it. Select both. Click on Merge Shape and use the Union option to combine them into one seamless shape. Select all. Remove outline. Now it's time to add technology images. Go to Insert, then Pictures. Select 4 images that represent technology. Select this, duplicate and send to back. Select both, go to the Format tab, click on Merge Shape and use Intersect. Do the same process with the rest. You can also adjust image by clicking on Crop. Then select all, right click, go to Format Object and under Picture Effect choose Inner Shadow. Increase blur size to 100%. Select this, go to Format and select this from Correction. Next, add a title like Technology. Below the title, add a subtitle with short tagline like. Now, click on Slideshow and here is the final result, a sleek, fantastic technology title slide design. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint designs. Let me know in the comment box what tutorial you would like to see next. See you in next video. Thank you.